Look at Steve. Oh my God. A little too close there, Steve. Holy Jesus. Oh my God. Hot tamale. Look at that drop off. No, I wouldn't go under there. Okay. Well, that's where I'm going. Good thing you're seeing this now, because that's where I'm headed. This is wild. The big island. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at all this. Steve! This must be it! Holy gee! I know. You don't tell me. What?
That's a drop like you wouldn't believe right there. Off that edge.
I can't believe you went back of that.
I'll film you over there.
Well, underneath the falls?
Yeah, you can do it. There goes Ted hiking up his pants. And we are hiking down amongst a 2,000 foot valley. Vertical drop, 2,000 feet. Tremendous waterfall action. Then of course we have Ted, who's about to sneak out on the edge. Oh my God, in fact, he's behind the waterfall. That's about a 2-foot wide ledge. He's on a 2-foot wide ledge, and it's about 700 feet up, and it's about 1,300 feet down, and it's almost straight up and down. And he is apparently into it. There he is. My God, he's on the edge. He's a mountain goat. He's a virtual mountain goat.
Here we are. Well, I made it. I got that blistering walk back. It was worth it though, I'll tell you what. I'd like to be right up there, Steve.
Yeah, we fell down that.
Is that where it's coming over?
We were up top and we fell down to the ledge right here and then walk over to us. So how's it going, guys?
No doubt. This thing is awesome. Over that.
Whoa.
That's a little bit. I hope that strap holds. Anyways, yeah, that's a bit much. But, you know, my father was in the sign hanging business and I'm used to high altitude, so nothing for a Levanway to have this kind of altitude.
Be careful with the edge right there.
Yeah. Oh, I am. I'm very cognizant of that, very much so. Okay, let's do it. Let's see if this RCA can handle it.
Are you still filming?
Of course I am. That's the best part about it. Because then the people can just...
Can see you going in.
Well, they can feel it. See, look at this jagged rock. Ah! All right. Take it easy, Mom. Take it easy.
Help!
All right. Here we are, baby. He who knows it, lives it. Or something like that.
Oh, you're getting the sound of all this too, huh?
Oh, yeah. Totally. The sound is probably one of the best things.
Oh my God.
Here we are.
Can you shoot right through the waterfall to see the other side of the valley?
Absolutely.
Ah!
I got some drops on it, but it's okay. We'll walk through, because we have to make a full walkthrough.
Oh God, now we're going to the really scary stuff.
No. I've already been over there once. Nice. These slippery rocks. Steve, look at that. Woo! Baby! Oh my God, it makes you feel alive, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is the spot right here. Ah!
Damn. See, baby.
Yeah, you don't want to hang out here forever.
No, you don't. We've done it, and I've taken the camcorder through.
You, of course, could keep going forward and right another 5 feet.
Right.
Hang out there.
I'm sure we could.